question is where we can use this kind of new openness to create value on both sides, on the company side and also on the stakeholder side.
Yeah, so I think overall, this whole industry needs to grow up, right? So consumers, I think, are willing to have a dialogue with companies. I think they're willing to hear the statement, "We're not perfect, but here's what we're improving."
Yeah.
I think where people get frustrated when there's a lack of transparency, right? And when a company is trying to hide something. And so what we say to companies is disclose, right? So we're using the G3 guidelines for our the Global Reporting Initiative, G3 guidelines for our disclosure, or for our top 1,000. And again, I think it comes back to, if you're authentic and transparent about the fact that you may not be perfect, but you've established a vision and are working towards that vision of here's how we're going to perform on all these different indicators, ultimately that's just good business, right? That's managing social and environmental impact, which these companies should be doing. This is no longer a question of should CSR exist or should it not exist. This is a question of how do we manage this in an effective way to ensure long-term profitability and long-term stability for our company, right? And I think that's where the discussion has gone, but a lot of people, because they're just hearing about CSR for the first time, think maybe there's still this argument about whether or not CSR should be part of the corporation's core performance. That argument's over.
Sure.
Companies that are performing on this have demonstrated profitability and will continue to outperform their competitors. Maybe not quarter to quarter, but definitely year to year and over the long